you watch every single YouTube video on how to make money online, or on the top 10 ways to make passive income, or what's the best online business that you can start from the comfort of your own home. Your For You page on TikTok is filled with lots of motivational videos and luxury lifestyle videos. In this video, I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm going to give you the 7 best ways to make $10,000 a month in 2023. And no, I'm not going to tell you to invest all of your money into the new crypto scam coin or into whatever new pyramid scheme people are promoting these days. I have tested and tried all of the businesses that I'm going to share with you in this video, so I am speaking from my own experience and I can tell you what works because I've done it. We'll also take a look at all of the pros and all of the cons that come with each business model. That way you can make a decision that best suits your goals, your desires and your needs. Also keep in mind that in this video I'm going to share beginner/intermediate friendly businesses that don't require a huge startup capital. Now I have to warn you beforehand, because if you don't take this crucial element into consideration when choosing which business to start, you literally obliterate any chance of becoming successful with any of the business models that I'm going to go over in this video. The sad truth is that even though I'm going to give you the best 7 businesses that you can start to make 10k per month in 2023, if you don't have this one element, it doesn't matter if you pick the best business model on earth or if you have the best business strategy or the best tactics, because anything that you will do will just fail. And that key rule that you must follow if you really want to succeed is consistency over intensity. When I first got started in the world of online business, I was like a starving kid put in a candy aisle. I would see all of those tasty candies, or business models in that case, and I would want to try as many as possible as quickly as possible. But just like a kid in a candy aisle is gonna make themselves sick, the same thing is going to happen in business. If you are constantly jumping from one business model to another, what do you honestly think is going to happen? I'll tell you what's gonna happen. You will not make an inch of progress. None. And to be completely transparent with you, I get it. When I got started with my service-based business a couple years back, I would try to do everything right all of the time. Like I would try to wake up super early every day, to meditate, to exercise, to stay away from all instant gratification, and to work as much as I possibly could. Because I thought that if I worked as much as I humanly could, then surely I would outwork my competition and move 10 times faster, right? Well, not so fast. Because you see, what would happen is that most of the time, I would actually end up hitting a wall pretty quickly. I would simply exert so much energy right from the starting lines that I would end up exhausted, and therefore I would have zero consistency whatsoever. So if there's one lesson that I learned, is that it doesn't matter if you have a fantastic business model or the best tactics, the best strategy, and you've got everything that you need within yourself to succeed. None of that matters if you don't stay consistent, if you don't work on your business and also on yourself for an extended period of time. You'll be just like a hamster, endlessly spinning in its wheel, but never actually going anywhere. So remember that what matters more than which business you decide to start is that you be consistent for a long period of time, for months and years on end. The first business model on our list is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing exactly? Affiliate marketing is the practice of promoting other people's products instead of promoting your own products. For instance, let's say that you have an e-commerce company and you sell shoes. You are selling your own products. Therefore, this cannot be considered to be affiliate marketing. Now, on the other hand, let's say that you have a YouTube channel or a TikTok page that you use to promote products that shoe brands sent you for free in exchange of you mentioning them in your videos to your audience. This is affiliate marketing because you did not have to make the products yourself. Now, there are 2 different ways to go about affiliate marketing. The first way is to promote physical products, so for instance shoes or fitness supplements, and the other way is to promote digital products, so for instance online courses, ebooks, coaching programs, anything that is not physical. So let's take a look at the pros and at the cons of this business model. The advantage of affiliate marketing is huge because you don't have to actually create a product yourself. And believe me, whether you are creating a physical product like a watch or a piece of clothing, or a digital product like an online course or an ebook, this takes a lot of time. I am currently working on releasing an online program to help people to start their own profitable consulting business, and let me tell you that it definitely takes up a lot of my time, and I've been at it for like a month or 2. Now, the cons of this business, affiliate marketing, is that you need to have an audience if you want to promote products and earn commissions, and building an audience of loyal and dedicated fans is a process that takes a lot of time and effort. And the other con with affiliate marketing is that unless you are promoting high-ticket digital products like online coaching programs, for instance, your commission per product sold is not going to be that high. Think about it. If you promote a shoe that costs $50 and you receive a 10% commission, that's $5 in your pocket each time someone buys using your affiliate link or your promo code. So in order to generate $5,000 a month, you would need 1,000 people to make a purchase. So affiliate marketing is a good side hustle for sure, but you have to know that it's going to take you a lot of time to build a significant audience that can make you a nice monthly income. So if you are pressed for time and you want to make money as quickly as possible, I don't recommend going for this business model in particular. The other business model on our list is to become a video editor for online creators. Now this one is a great business model to start because unlike with affiliate marketing, you do not need a big audience of loyal and dedicated fans in order to start making some money. Around 3.7 million videos are uploaded on YouTube every single day. This is literally more than 270,000 hours of video content uploaded on the platform on a daily basis. And YouTube has 2.1 million active users based all over the world. If you know a thing or two about the YouTube game, then you will surely know that it's all about getting people to click on your videos, but also to keep them watching for as long as possible. As a video editor, this is where you swoop in and you help creators grow. By editing videos for creators, you help them save 10 hours a week, 20 hours a week, even 30 or more hours per week. This is huge because they can leverage that time to produce more videos to grow their audience faster, or they can work on developing new products, new services, and grow their business. And also, you have to realize that more and more businesses are actually realizing the importance of going online. They're increasingly becoming aware that content marketing is one of the best, most efficient ways to acquire new customers and to spread brand awareness. So as you can see, this is a pretty interesting opportunity. Now keep in mind that being a video editor for online creators does not necessarily mean that you only have to edit YouTube videos specifically. You could instead choose to focus on creating short-form content like TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. The pros of this business is that you don't need to have a big audience or even any audience at all in order to start making money. You can just get started and get some clients right away. And there is a big need for video editing services as more and more people are trying to make it in the new economy. And in this new economy, we are shifting towards attention is the key of the game. Now when it comes to the cons, there are only so many clients that you can work with at a time, so your income is capped pretty quickly. And also, if you are selling the video editing service itself, instead of selling people on the outcomes that they want, on their pains, on their needs, on their desires, it's gonna be very difficult to set yourself apart from the competition because you will be considered a commodity and you will have to compete solely on price. Online courses, this is when you package your knowledge and your expertise on a specific topic in the form of an online course. The pros with this business model is that it's highly scalable, meaning that you can reach millions of people from all over the world, and online courses are typically very profitable, ranging anywhere from 60% to 90% profit margins. However, the downside of an online course is that it takes a lot of time to build, and it's also the hardest thing to sell. In order to build it, we're talking 3 to 6 months on average, and this is without even taking into consideration the fact that you're gonna need an audience to sell the course to. But for instance, if you have an interest in fitness or in cooking, then you could sell an online course in this niche. But in order to do that, keep in mind that you would have to build the course for a few months and also generate free traffic using social media in order to promote your online course. So it's really one of the toughest business models to succeed with. Next up on our list is dropshipping. This is actually one of the very first business models that I tried to do back when I was still in high school. With my best friend at the time, we had decided to launch our own dropshipping store. So what we would do is that we would find a trendy product, also known as a winning product, build a Shopify store, and then launch a Facebook ad campaign to bring some traffic on the website and to generate sales. The issue is that at the time, we were both broke students, so we barely had any money to invest into Facebook ads. And as you may guess what happened, Facebook quickly ate up all of our budget. And even though we managed to get a couple sales, we really lost money in the end. We didn't make a profit. I remember what my first sale was like. It was around 8 p.m. in the summer, and after dinner, I went back to my room and I noticed dozens of notifications from my friend. He was ecstatic because we had gotten our very first sale. So I opened up my laptop, I went on Shopify, and I saw, wow, one person bought the product. To me, it was crazy because I realized you can really make money online. It's not just a dream or a fantasy, it's actually possible. Your first sale is the one you're gonna remember forever. It's a key moment in the life of any entrepreneur. And the funny thing is that we got our first sale within 30 minutes of launching the Facebook ads campaign that night. The pros with this business model is that you do not need an audience to get some clients. You can start to make money right away and you don't have to deal with manufacturing or with shipping yourself. But the truth is that this business also comes with a lot of downsides as well. Your profit margins are very thin, like 1 to 10%, usually hovering around 5%. You also have to deal with long shipping times and unsatisfied customers. And with the recent lockdowns, we've seen how quickly things can go sour. And finally, you are going to need to invest at least a few $1,000s, like $3,000 at least, if you're going to go down the route of dropshipping using Facebook ads or any kind of paid advertising, even influencer marketing as a way to drive traffic to your online store and generate some sales. The other business model that you can start in order to get to $10,000 a month in profit in 2023 is to become a sales rep for high-ticket products or services. If you sell a high-ticket coaching program for, let's say, $5,000 and you receive a $300 commission on each call that you close, if you manage to close 1 in 5 calls and you have 5 to 10 calls per day, that's $300 to $600 that goes in your pocket. If you work 5 days a week, that's anywhere from $6,000 to $12,000 per month. The pros with this business model is that you can get to 10K per month pretty quickly because you don't don't need to close that many people on the phone in order to make a significant income, since the amount of money that you earn per closed call is actually pretty high. Also, you don't need to have any previous experience in sales because you will be following a proven and tested sales script that the company that is going to hire you is going to provide. So all you have to do really is to get on the call and to follow the script. The downsides of being a sales rep is that not everyone is going to be comfortable being on the phone at first. However, a third of you watching this video right now would be incredible sales reps. The only way to find out if selling on the phone is made for you is to try. Next up is starting a YouTube channel. Now, I'm not talking about making videos like MrBeast or PewDiePie, because the truth is that PewDiePie simply started to make YouTube videos out of passion, and most people, myself included, are not able to create videos like MrBeast simply because he spends millions in order to make just one single video. And besides, not everyone wants to be PewDiePie or MrBeast famous. However, you could start your own YouTube channel on a topic that you are passionate about and share your knowledge with the world. For instance, you could start a cooking or a fitness YouTube channel if this is what you're into. Or you could simply share your self-improvement journey with others. The main way to make money on YouTube is through AdSense revenue. Now keep in mind that depending on which niche your channel is in, meaning the overall topic of your channel, finance, cooking, fitness, entertainment, your CPM, which is the cost per 1,000 views that advertisers pay, is going to vary. Some video topics will give you a higher CPM than others. For instance, finance YouTubers have a significantly higher CPM compared to vlog channels. The pros of this business model is that you can get started today for free. Even if you don't have an expensive camera, you can start recording videos using just your phone and a window as a main light source. And if you are too shy to show your face, you can even do faceless videos. The cons of this business model is that building an audience of people who love your content and who always keep coming back for more is a long, difficult, and tedious process. And the first 2 years on YouTube are the most difficult. But if you don't quit, you can honestly get great results, and having a YouTube channel can truly change your life. Now, the last business model on our list is consulting. This is by far my favorite business model, and it is the one that I started a few years ago. I was helping entrepreneurs to improve their efficiency and their productivity through biohacking, and as a result, they increased their monthly income. Later on, I transitioned to helping entrepreneurs to book more meetings with their ideal customers without having to spend a single dime on paid ads. This is by far the best business model because you can get started right away for free or for less than $2,000 if you decide to, let's say, buy an online training program from someone who's done it, because it's actually going to save you a lot of time and you'll be able to move a lot faster than anybody who just tries to get started without a clue what they have to do in order to become successful at it. Profit margins are high, like 95% when you first begin. You don't need an audience, you can start signing up clients right away, and there are many methods that you can use in order to get clients for free, so you don't have to spend any money on paid ads. And I know that this is especially important for beginners because when I got started, I didn't have thousands of dollars laying around at my bank account for me to spend on Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Google ads or whatever. So I needed a way to get clients while spending as little money as possible, really. The only downside with this business model is that it's very easy to mess it up if you do things on your own. If you're all by yourself, it's hard to know what steps to follow or what to do, what's the right thing to say on a meeting, what's the wrong thing to say. So unless you follow a proven step-by-step process made by someone who's done it before, it's harder to do. Of course, you can still try to figure everything out on your own and to succeed, but it's going to be a lot more complicated. So if you want to learn how you can start a successful, profitable online consulting business, I recorded a free step-by-step guide on YouTube. You can click on the card up here and it's going to take you to that video. With that said, I hope that you will be able to choose the best business model for you with the help of this video. Consider checking out the other videos of the channel if you're into business-related content and if your goal is to make money online and to build a profitable, successful online business. And with that said, I will see you in the next one.